Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I've got Neewer's 4-in-1 USB microphone kit. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the condenser microphone, the adjustable scissor arm stand, the foam cap, the shock mount, the table mounting clamp, the pop filter, the USB cable, and the computer installation guide. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, it is a plug-and-play system, meaning no drivers or software to install. It also works for all computer systems, such as Windows and Macintosh. This product has an amazing sound chipset which minimizes background noise, resulting in a more smooth and true audio recording. The included shock mount is also perfect for isolating physical vibrations and any unwanted noise. It's also available in two colors, black and blue. Going further, this microphone kit features a strong and sturdy scissor arm, an angle adjustable double layer pop filter, and a 24-bit sampling rate. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's install the foam cap. Bring the microphone and foam cap together. Softly stretch it on and twist the foam cap to secure it into place. Next, let's attach the shock mount. Simply slide and twist the microphone with gentle force into the center hole. You are now ready to install the stand. Unthread the screw plate on the table mounting clamp and gently slide it into your table. Then retighten the screw plate until it's well secured. Next, slot the black end of the scissor arm into the top of the table mounting clamp and use the wheel to secure it into place. You can now simply screw the microphone into the metal end of the scissor arm. Installing the pop filter is just as easy. Simply clamp the pop filter into one of the scissor arms and twist the wheel to tighten it into place. Quick tip! Now is a good time to use the angle adjustment wheel to ensure that the best position is ready. This can be found on the shock mount. The final step is to connect the microphone to your computer. Taking a hold of the USB cable, plug the square end into the bottom of the microphone until you hear a slight click. All you need to do now is plug the standard end of the USB into your computer or laptop. If you get stuck with anything at this stage, you can easily find the solution with the computer installation guide. You really will have a lot of fun with this product, but before I go, here are some safety notes. Please ensure that the power source has a minimum of 5 volts output. Do not use chemicals or liquids to clean the microphone. Be careful maneuvering the microphone into different positions and take extra care when handling the foam cap and pop filter. Thanks for watching and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's 4-in-1 USB microphone kit.